Good morning, everyone. I'm thrilled to represent 3Piece Catering Services on behalf of my friend and boss, Miss Gina Tulay. I am delighted to be here with you. I'm Abby Jane Bernardo Topacio, your go-to event manager at 3Piece Catering Services. As the youngest and proud breadwinner of my family, I've cherished every moment with my two incredible offsprings, Ralph Jacob and Maria Athena. Beyond event planning, I indulge in scrapbooking, movies, and family karaoke nights. I bring the same passion and attention to detail to everything I do, including introducing you to 3Piece Catering Services today. Here are some photos of my beloved family, showcasing the people who inspire and support me in everything I do. Before we proceed, I want to introduce you to the heart and soul of 3Piece Catering Services, our incredible staff and crew. When you choose 3Piece Catering Services, you are inviting our family to be part of yours. Speaking of 3Piece, let's now get to know who we really are and what we stand for. 3Piece was founded in 2003 by Miss Gina Tulay. Our journey began with a simple yet profound vision to share the flavors of Imusenyo cuisine with the world. Our tagline, "You've tried the rest, now taste the best," is a promise to deliver quality and service. 3Piece is more than a business. It's a family legacy named after the founder's three children, Patrick, Patricia, and Pamela. Now that you know a bit about who we are, let's dive into what we offer. From our signature catering services that bring the flavors of Imusenyo cuisine to your events, to convenient food trays and tubs perfect for gatherings of any size, and our delicious bento meal for a quick and satisfying meal on the go. So whether you are planning a wedding, corporate event, or simply looking for a tasty meal to enjoy with family and friends, we've got you covered. Here is the price list of our bento meal. Next one is our very affordable family feast package and food tubs. Our basic catering package at the very low price of 500 pesos per pax. And our very own love story wedding package. Now, let's take a visual journey through some of the memorable moments we've created at 3Piece Catering Services. These photos capture the joy and satisfaction of our clients at various events. We also have Legiana Events Management Services for top-notch event coordination tailored to your specific needs. Froilan Catering Services specializes in catering for our LGU clients. Lastly, Grab It All General Merchandise provides a wide range of office supplies and everyday items. Our family of companies is here to provide exceptional service and quality products. From local government unit to esteemed partners in various industries, our client list is a testament to the trust and confidence placed in us to deliver exceptional service and unforgettable experiences. These collaborations have allowed us to showcase our expertise and dedication while forging a meaningful relationships within our community. Let's shine a spotlight on standout projects that have defined our journey at 3Piece Catering Services, including Brigada Eskwela with VP Sara Duterte, National Teachers Day, and Imu Summer Music Fest 2023. This project highlights our commitment to excellence and community involvement. As we look to the future, we are excited to share our dream project, to establish our own restaurant and events place. This project represents our commitment to growth, innovation, and excellence. For 2024, our key business goal is to expand our market reach in Calabarzon and Metro Manila. Please connect us to events place and restaurant owners, company event coordinator, and condo living clients. As we end our presentation, thank you for your time and attention today. Thank you, and we are looking forward to partnering with you. Kaya't laging tandaan, 3Piece ang bubusog na tagos sa puso mo.